Well, guys, here's another video from our It's About Fam channel here. Gonna try to do more videos of this and some product reviews. But today we're gonna be doing a review and install of the Blister.boi cup holders. Blister.boi, he is a beneficial member of the Montero community, makes these pretty awesome products here, 3D printed extra cup holders for the Monteros, specifically for the Gen 2, Gen 2.5 Monteros. These are very well done 3D printed pieces. Many have purchased them with very satisfied, and as I am too. This one here is for the single cup holder, which replaces the factory ashtray, and then this one here is the dual cup holder, which places the extra storage compartment in the center console area, which I will show you both when we do an install. Gives you 3 extra cup holder spaces. As most of you know, in the 90s the Japanese didn't, and many car makers in fact, didn't really put a lot of focus on cup holders in their vehicles. For the Gen 2.5s, I believe if you have the winter packages, not all of them have it. This is the factory cup holder. Due to the age, a lot of these are either broken or have one missing, or both missing. Fortunately, I have one, but I have this one right here that is gone. So it's kind of somewhat half useful. But you know, when my wife and the kids are in the vehicle and we're on trails and they want to keep their drinks somewhere, especially my wife, there's really no spot here in the front other than that to keep a drink in. So this is a solution that Blister.boi has provided, and I mean, these are really great quality pieces. So if you're looking to get these done, you can follow him on Instagram, and I will post a link on the video for you to contact him and see if he has them available or when he'll be doing another run on these. So the first one is the single cup holder, which replaces the factory ashtray unit, which is this right here. I don't smoke. I don't have anyone that I know of, friends that smoke, and I wouldn't even allow them to smoke in my vehicle. But this is pretty useless. I mean, I keep random stuff here. I use this to detail the vents, clean, and some spare change. But honestly, I don't really use this. I probably go to this ashtray maybe 2 or 3 times a year. It's pointless. If I add this cup holder, it's more useful. So really easy to use and replace. So all you have to do is your factory ashtray unit. It's not screwed down, you just have to pull it up. It's held by these squeeze metal clips inside the console unit, so with a little bit of force you can pop them out. See, really easy. There is where the factory light bulb is for the ashtray. You can go ahead and install one there if you want. He does have an option to add one there. I decided not to. I really don't care to use it. So it's the same way you took it out. There's the ashtray. It says you just slide it back in. You can screw it in if you want, but to be honest, this is on here pretty good. Like the ashtray, this is not going anywhere. But there you go. You can now put a cup, thermos, tumbler, whatever in there. So you have a cup holder, functioning cup holder. Now this is the dual cup holder, which replaces this right here. Honestly, there's nothing you really you can put in here. It is not a lot of room. I personally never really used it. I mean, I stuck little random things. I mean, previously I had some spare LED bulbs, which I can put in the glove compartment or some storage I have there in the back. And that's about it. I mean, I don't really use it, so I'd rather have extra cup holders. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this out. So for this, really easy. You just lift this up. What mounts there is the 2 screws. So you just unscrew these here. Let's get the one of them. Should come right out. There you go. This is out. Let's now install this. As you can see, it's very well built. It even has these right here where the top cover kind of latches into. So when you install this, you make sure this is down, kind of just fit it in there, and slide these. Everything bolts and lines up, and we just get the screws. Well, that's in. And we'll get this one. Both in. Go ahead and screw them in. Alright. Yes. It might take a little bit because you are securing the new threads, but that looks like it's tight. Boom, done. Cup holder, done. And then all we have to do now is put this latch from the old one into the new one. And there you go. There is the dual cup holder installed. Factory latch. Works perfectly. Quick installation tip. I would install this before you actually install the whole thing. Probably would have been a lot easier to do that, but really not a huge deal. But there you go. That is the install review of the Blister.boi 3D printed cup holder upgrade for your Gen 2.5 Montero. And link on the video to contact Blister.boi to see if he has any in stock or when he'll be producing a next run. Thank you for watching.